Hello, hello, K Plus users. This is Annalisa with Inside Real Estate, and I wanted to show you a particular tool of which you can leverage on your website that is built in and pulling data directly from your MLS. Now, we're going to access this by going down this left-hand side of our dashboard, clicking on Website, and then View My Website. So you're going to click Website, View My Website, which will open up another tab directly to your domain, which is tied directly to you, the agent. So this is where you're sending all of your contacts to view their listings, read your blog, etc. Now, at the bottom of this page, there lives a section called Areas We Cover. Now, this is really cool because we're pulling all of the data from these different areas we cover directly from the MLS of which you are connected via your broker partner or your team. So when you're looking at this information, and maybe you're sending someone a welcome video to walk them through the site, learn navigation, what have you, or maybe you're sitting with someone and they're like, hey, we're interested in Fort Montgomery or New Rochelle. You can just click on these names and K Plus will pull all of the data about homes for sale or properties for sale within that town. So we are going to pull the average price, taxes, square feet, and again, we're pulling all of this from the MLS of which you're connected. So we've got that most popular property, and you can see here when we hover over, they click the little heart, look for more, see pictures. They can also see total new listings, total listings, open house, and if there's foreclosures, short sales, etc., they're going to land here as well if they're within that town. The most expensive, least expensive listing, the real estate market, where it's located on a map. And what's really neat here is at the bottom, you can see also the areas within New Rochelle and neighborhoods within New Rochelle. So if someone's sitting with you and they're like, hey, our aunt and uncle lives or grandma lives at the Greens at Cherry Lawn or Wright's Landing, they can actually click into this information and see that individual area broken down as well. So there's 2 listings within Wright's Landing, and people can just click on these and it takes them to view those listings directly. Now, one really neat thing you can do here is you can also create your own custom areas we cover by typing in a zip code into the URL at the top left within the browser. So you can see right now it's saying annalisa.orange.ecomls.com. So it has my agent name of Annalisa and my brokerage name of Orange Eco MLS. And then it has the area of Wright's Landing of which we're currently looking at. However, if I want to see something within a specific zip code, I can just place my cursor up there at the end of the URL, backspace the name of that town out, and put a zip code in. And then tap enter and pull all of the stats within a particular zip code. Now we can see the URL has my name, brokerage-name.com, areas, and the zip code. And this is something you can copy and paste and maybe use for your search of the week, search of the day, within a landing page. Maybe you're going for particular listings in that town, what have you. So you can see it also pulls the information of that zip code versus county stats, average pricing, total listings, open houses. Of course, it would have more if there were foreclosures and so forth in here. But you can kind of get the idea that you can go through and manipulate this link to create it for a zip just by placing your cursor up there in the browser at the end of the link, backspacing up that town or zip code that you may already have in there, typing in the zip, and away you go. Now, if you have any questions anytime, please feel welcome to chat with support, bottom right of your dashboard. If you happen to see a little red dot with a number inside of it on top of your chat bubble, that means we have left you messages of which you may want to catch up with. So you can see I had a little 2, and there's a little red dot saying see previous. And this will tell me what I need to catch up to as a user, information of what has been sent out to me by Inside Real Estate to learn more about the product. So we're talking about different live webinars and updates and so forth land here. Now, if you have any questions anytime, chat with support, bottom right, check out our support portal, bottom left of your dash, or pop into our learning portal for self-paced tutorials anytime. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.